Yeah, good morning students. In this video, I will be discussing on a very small topic, that is transmission modes. Okay. So normally, whenever we are going to transmit the data, particularly the binary data through any communication link or a channel, we are going to accomplish the data to transfer in two ways. One is parallel mode, the other one is the serial mode. So this is the overall hierarchy of data transmission. As I told you, one way is to transfer the data in parallel mode, the other one is serial mode. Again, in serial mode, we have three different types of data transmission modes. One is synchronous mode, the other one is asynchronous, and finally isochronous. So isochronous is nothing but the combination of asynchronous and synchronous communication. That's why I'm dealing only with synchronous and asynchronous combination. Okay, so asynchronous transmission. So coming to serial and parallel transmission, first we will see what is serial and parallel. So in serial mode, serial means one after the another. So one bit is sent with each clock tick. Means at a time you can transfer only one bit of data or one bit in a channel. So here you can see the sender is having 8 bits. So the sender can transmit only one bit at a time in the channel. So it takes almost 8 clock ticks to transmit the whole 8 bits. So however, here we need only one cable. Since we have only one cable, the bits to be transferred one after the other in the particular cable. Okay. So when it comes to parallel mode, so here the bits are not transferred one after the other, but at a time you can transfer the data, but we need those many number of cables. For example, if we have 8 bits, then we need 8 cables. So each cable will take 1 bit to transmit. So here, when compared to serial mode transmission, parallel mode architecture is somewhat costly because of a more number of cable requirement is there. Okay. So here you can see clearly there are 8 bits are sent together since we have 8 cables or lines. Okay. So coming to types of serial transmissions, I said we have asynchronous transmission as well as synchronous transmission. In asynchronous transmission, what happens? We are transmitting data in terms of byte, means 8 bits at a time. So for every byte, we are adding one start bit and one or more stop bits. So here you can see. Because since it is asynchronous, the data is sending randomly. So we need to know, or we need to have a track which byte is sending. For that, we need some flags, what we call. So one start flag and one stop flag. One or more, it may be anything. So we are attaching one start flag known as 0 for every byte and one or more stop bits. Okay. And there may be gap between each byte. Okay. So coming to synchronous transmission, we send bits one after the other without any start or stop bits because all the bytes are transferring what we call that in terms of flow of stream we call. So continuous flow of data will be there. It is not sending randomly one byte afterwards, third byte, no, like that. So it is in sequence. That's why we need not have what we call that any adding extra bits to the bytes. Okay. But the main drawback of asynchronous transmission is there is more memory utilization as we are adding extra bits for each and every byte. So that memory wastage is not there in case of synchronous transmission. Okay. And as I told you, isochronous transmission is nothing but the combination of synchronous and asynchronous transmission. Okay. So hope so you understood now what is the transmission modes, the types of transmission modes, that is serial transmission as well as parallel transmission. And also I told you the types of serial transmissions, that is what you call that synchronous transmission, asynchronous transmission and isochronous transmission. So hope so you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye.